Floods can destroy homes, wipe out fields, and take the lives of thousands of innocent people. This disaster often originates from many different causes such as heavy rain, melting snow, rising global temperatures and especially climate change. We will continue to monitor the situation and ongoing global relief efforts to help those affected by the floods. But there are days when the waves become strong and fierce. As the tall and majestic waves crashed onto the shore, I couldn't help but feel the incredible power of the sea. The feeling of seeing hail coming is indescribable, especially for people living in warm climates. However, hail can also cause severe damage to crops, livestock and human property. Construction collapse not only causes physical damage but also causes mental and spiritual damage. However, in such terrible situations, we often see solidarity and compassion in people. Flood is a phenomenon of floodwater flowing at high speed and suddenly, capable of washing away houses, pets, property, trees and even threatening human lives, with a small village. As ocean waves gently lap against the sand, their sound creates a relaxing and enjoyable melody. Seeing ocean waves crashing against the shore, I am always curious about the mysteries hidden behind the ocean. Ocean waves can bring about many different emotions. Flash floods often occur after heavy rains or rapid snowmelt, when water overflows into rivers and streams and rises, taking everything in its path. Flash floods can bring destruction and pain, but they also provide opportunities for community solidarity and support. Flash floods are a powerful reminder of the power of nature and the need to prepare and cooperate to respond to unforeseen situations. Flash floods can collapse houses, destroy roads and cause thousands of people to lose their roofs and even lose their lives. That is when a large amount of water, often accompanied by rocks and mud, flows quickly and strongly through rivers and valleys, causing unpredictable destruction. This is an extremely serious environmental and public hygiene situation and can cause many negative impacts on the ecosystem and human resistance. The cause of flash floods is often related to loss of waste control and poor environmental infrastructure. This waste is then introduced into river systems and can eventually appear on beaches or residential areas. To minimize flash floods and waste, it is necessary to strengthen waste management and invest in water supply and environmental systems. Cars submerged in water are a sad and typical image of natural disasters, floods, or water-related disasters. This is an extremely dangerous situation and can cause serious loss of both property and people.
何もかも完全に海水
11. Fortunately, in the situation in the video, people did not intervene. The situation shows that people should be careful when traveling through mountainous areas. Debris from storms and floods can cause many problems, including environmental pollution, water resistance, loss of flora and fauna, and animals can drift into the ocean and carry tons with them. Water, trash from landfills, waste in landfills are not carefully managed. This earthquake caused a terrible tsunami, reaching 40 meters high and washing away everything in its path. In particular, coastal areas such as Miyagi, Iwate and Fukushima suffered heavy damage. The tsunami collapsed hundreds of thousands of homes, killed thousands of people and caused a series of safety problems. Tsunamis often move at very fast speeds as they approach the coast, and they can drag large amounts of water with them. When the tsunami hit, it created an unprecedented shock with terrible destructive power. Tsunami can destroy houses, sweep away vehicles and people. Its destructive power is often unbelievable. Tsunami waves hitting the shore often come from a natural event such as an undersea earthquake or an undersea volcano eruption and can occur suddenly. Everything seemed destroyed by the spread of the wave, with tsunami waves reaching tens of meters high and washing away everything in their path. We cannot completely prevent these disasters, but we can learn how to react and cope. Early warning systems, response plans and information sharing play an important role in minimizing damage and protecting human lives.